Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wizz app weekly settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you search about Wizz and you click. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. As you see, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.